This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your bank offers fingerprint access and that your fingerprint is already enrolled with the bank. This is the single most important prerequisite. Once done, update the bank app and bring your ATM card and ID so you can fall back to card or PIN if needed. Make sure your finger and the sensor are clean and dry. This reduces read errors. Next, stand at a biometric-enabled ATM and select the fingerprint option on the screen to start the secure authentication flow. You now authenticate. Choose the fingerprint or biometric login on the ATM menu and follow prompts carefully. Place the identical enrolled finger flat on the sensor, hold still, and avoid sliding. This ensures the scanner captures the same minutiae points the bank stored. After the sensor confirms identity, the ATM will display your accounts. Make sure to select the correct account and the transaction type you want, such as withdrawal or balance inquiry. If prompted, verify amounts and complete any additional security prompts the machine shows. Finish your transaction exactly as directed. Confirm amounts, take your cash promptly, and collect the receipt. If you used a card, remove it before leaving. If the sensor fails, first clean and dry your finger, then try again with the same finger or an alternate enrolled finger. Slight pressure or different angle can make a difference. If problems persist, make sure to use your card and PIN and report repeated failures to the bank so they can re-enroll your fingerprint or service the sensor to prevent future issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.